Okay, in this video we're going to divide complex numbers, and in order to do so we have to multiply by a complex conjugate. And so let me show what I mean by that. So let me kind of explain this reference. So it says a plus bi divided by c plus di. So a is real, c is real, bi, di, that's the imaginary component. And in order to divide this, what we do is we multiply c minus di divided by c minus di. So c minus di divided by c minus di, that's just 1. So we're not making any actual changes. And once we do that, we'll see something special. So let's just do this problem and let's try it out. So let's do it. So what we're going to do is say 3 plus 2i divided by 3 plus 2i. We'll put a parentheses around these two pieces. Now we're just going to multiply it out. We're going to take 4, we're going to multiply it by 3, take 4, multiply by 2i, take 5i, multiply by 3, take 5i, multiply by 2i. So 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2i is 8i, 5i times 3 is 15i, and 5i times 2i is going to give us plus 10i squared, divided by, now we'll do the same thing for this piece. 3 times 3, 3 times 2i, negative 2i times 3, negative 2i times 2i. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2i is plus 6i, negative 2i times 3 is negative 6i, and negative 2i times 2i is going to give us negative 4i squared. At this point, we have to remember I squared is equal to negative 1. Again, I squared is equal to negative 1. And so now we can clean it up. We have 12 plus 8i plus 15i, and then 10 times negative 1 is negative 10, divided by, then we have 9 plus 6i minus 6i, and then negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4, is equal to 12 minus 10 is going to give us 2, 8i plus 15i is 23i, divided by, and then we have 9 plus 4, that gives us 13, 6i minus 6i, it cancels out. Next, if you want to, you could separate it out. You could say we have 2 divided by 13 plus 23 divided by 13i. This right here is our final answer, and that's all we need to do for this problem.